Welcome to my video. In this video I want to construct a perpendicular line at a point on a line using my compass and straight edge. Okay, first of all let's start out with a line. There's just a general purpose line, nothing special. Now we want to pick a point on the line. Let's just pick that point right there. Now what we want to do is draw a perpendicular, which is going to be at a right angle like this to it. So first of all, we're going to get our compass out and we're going to strike an arc. Let's see, let's make it a little bit. So there we go. So there's our arc. Now, what we want to do is expand our compass out slightly more to make sure we get a good length here. Put that on this point right here the best we can. And we expand that out a little bit more. We need to make sure we're further away from the point. Okay, so like that, and then like that. Now we go over here to the other side, try to put this down exactly as we can. Just draw another arc like that, and then go down here and draw this arc. Okay, so now we've got the second arc, and this should line up right there. That's what we're hoping. And it will. There we go. It's not exact because we're not dealing with theoretical lines here. They're actual lines on a piece of paper. So things aren't exactly perfect, but let's check it. Okay, I've got a right triangle. It's got a right angle right there. And yes, that is a right angle. So that's good. That is a perpendicular line. So here's our line. There's our point. This is our perpendicular we just drew. So that worked. Now in the second part of this, I want to construct a perpendicular line at a point outside a line. So we had let's draw another line. Just a generic line. Now this time we're going to pick a point outside the line. So right there. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw an arc that intersects this line from this point as our starting point. Draw two. One we'll do over here. So we've made an arc that intersected twice. Now we're going to use these as our base points, so we want to expand out our compass slightly. Okay, so let's put that pin right there at that point. Keep expanding our compass out a little bit more. Make sure we can cover that point right there. There's one arc. Now we go down here. We draw another arc. And let's see, I may have moved that. Okay. Now we put this one at this point right here. Draw another arc. Go down here and draw another arc right there. Okay, so now let's connect this point, and this point. And within the width of the pin and the precision of our instruments. Okay, so there's our perpendicular. We saw earlier that that's the way we made a perpendicular. So that is our first line we started with. Here's a perpendicular line, and it goes through this point right here. So, well, thank you for watching. Hope you learned a little bit about more construction techniques with a straight edge and a compass. Thank you.